This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Vscode and click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. Search for Live Server by Ritwick Day and click Install. Wait a few seconds for the extension to finish installing. After installation, you will see a Go Live button appear in the bottom right corner of the window. This extension serves files over a local web server at port 5500 by default. Installing Live Server is the simplest way to preview HTML locally. Open your project folder in Vscode using File then Open Folder. Click the HTML file you want to preview, for example index.html, so it is active in the editor. Click the Go Live button in the lower right to launch the page in your default browser. Alternatively, right-click the Open HTML file and choose Open with Live Server to do the same. Your browser opens at http://127.0.0.1.5500 and displays the live preview immediately. When Live Server is running, it will auto-reload your page whenever you save a file. Use Ctrl+S to save changes and watch the browser refresh automatically. If you need a different port, open Settings and set Live Server. Settings: port to 5501 or another free port. To stop previewing, click the Go Live button again and the server will shut down. These settings let you preview, develop, and test HTML quickly without configuring a separate web.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.